Hi guys, it's us, Breanna and Brooke. Watch more of our videos and our channels. And
That's our mom looking at us.
Anyways, guys, we're at Subway. If you could even see that, sorry. But yeah, can't you see these in all the Subways? Yeah. Subway, and then it also has a corner store over there. So, dynamite! Oh, and these. I love these. But also dynamite. Also this dynamite. Guys, I just ate dynamite this morning. And it's like so like delicious but hot. I don't know. I'm gonna guys.
Have you guys seen these chips before? Because I've never seen them.
Ew! Lemon chips! Ew. Dun dun dun! Okay guys, sorry, that looked weird. Oh yeah. Father. But he's not such.
Look at the
He's
camera.
not in the best mood.
Look at the
today,
camera.
So, like he
Look.
just got home from work. Where? Where's the camera? Oh yeah, guys. Look, the camera. Oh, okay. Come in. Okay, guys, we got our stuff, and here. Oh, Daddy, can we buy some?
What do you want?
Let me go see.
Really eat good food, not junk.
But there's good food and junk.
And you're not. Why don't you eat this first? Eat your food. Eat your real food.
We're eating in here.
Yeah, eat in the front. Then
Oh.
this and that is real.
Can I get that?
So we'll come back in. We eat in the car and come back in, or go to something different. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna smooth. Told you. Sorry, my voice was really low on that statement.
And do it fast.
All right. Okay, we will. I think I'll get the hot flaming
Do you like
chips.
cheese puffs?
I'll get the hot flaming chips here. And you and me could share the hot flaming chips. Going up to pay. Okay, we're at the cashier place, whatever. So guys, check out our channel.
Look at these.
Breanna and Brooke. On YouTube, of course. And yeah.
They know that.
Yeah, bye. I mean, not bye, but see you in the car. Okay, guys, going to. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright. Going to the car.
Did you put it on?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did.
Oh, just asking for.
Yeah. Alright. And here, put my food down. Okay, guys, that was the worst way to come in the car. But... Hey guys, and I want to tell you, in my school, not to make you jealous. I don't want to make you jealous. Anyways, in my school, get out of field trip if we have good attendance, better attendance. Yeah. And I hope yeah, we get to go to the movies and Jungle what?
Jungle Island.
Yeah, Jungle Island. And I hope my friends are watching a bag of chips. Really? Oh, that's mine. Let me get some. Oh, wait, I have to check this first.
Waiting for their money. Where? That's the only time you get them to come out now. I'm trying to get them. Yeah.
Nobody's watching.
Yeah.
You know?
Along with Lisa.
My sandwich.
Lisa, the Ann's friend that
Yummy.
had later.
I was gonna say, oh, that was so cute.
I was really thinking about the money, but yeah, I'm glad you thought about it. Yeah, I'm glad you thought about it. I'm glad you thought
What are they waiting for?
That's not what I was building up to. That was not what I was building up to. Just alerting you so you don't like, oh my God, people are in the house. That was all, and I think you listened to nothing. I'll go back.
Best sandwich ever. I got myself. Probably the same thing, but I got cheese. Yeah. Why, generally speaking, cheese is
I'll go there.
disgusting.
See Breanna?
Oh, yeah. Sometimes I do not like cheese alone. All the time.
At least it's still a story, you know, she's told the story.
Who's Lisa?
The Anne's friend who does the hair.
Oh, the
Sorry.
lady who talks like that.
Yeah. It must just be. But I knew
She's
her.
very nice, though. She
Yeah,
does
she
hair
is.
very nice,
Yeah.
so I ain't gonna talk about it too much.
Yeah, when I knew her 20 years ago, she didn't sound like that. Now it's 20 years on top of that. But she's telling the story about this guy.
Wait, guys, you're on camera?
And she's much older than the guy. She's like Angela, like a young guy.
She's dating a young guy right
Wait,
now.
you're gonna put
She
this on
is
YouTube?
now,
Okay.
but she is now dating a young guy. But she's talking about one in the past. She always dates the other.
Okay.
She's like Angela.
You guys like Subway and I'm not supposed to talk with my
This young guy
mouth
she's dating.
But
And his
I like
parents
Subway.
are so distraught about it, they won't even speak to her. The
Oh.
mother would speak.
guys,
The mother would say hello, that's all she
No,
knows.
I'm over.
I think the guy
IHOP is racist. I heard that someone get a white
So
lady
the mother would say
it.
hello.
Smell like that?
gave
Yeah, that's what I thought about too. So
someone black a receipt
Halloween
saying
sun.
black, but she's white, so like,
So
no
the mother
offense
would say
to
hello,
all
the
you
father
guys
would
that
turn
watch
his
my
head.
channel.
Whenever she gave
Sorry.
the father would turn his head and not speak.
Yeah, but that's just
I mean,
me.
that lady is
She's
so
a member of the
racist.
So
And you know,
ill-practiced.
when I went there, oh, this was good.
So she said to the boyfriend,
I got a
she said,
balloon
"You need to get your
and-
daughter.
Next to the what hotel we met
You
to
need to
meet
get your granddaughter.
cousins,
You know,
the mom,
get his
cousin,
granddaughter in the
mom's
house
cousins.
to say goodbye to him.
Hamilton.
So
No,
she, of her
Regency
own, called the
Inn.
baby's mama. in
Yeah,
Georgia.
next to Regency, there's
Introduced
IHOP,
herself, and said, I'm
and
coming tonight. I'm in the car, in fact.
we
I'm
ate
not
there,
going to pick the
and
girl
we
up.
got balloon pets, but I popped
Yeah,
mine.
we got no.
Yes,
Look,
she had
right up there.
My dad took it down.
So she-
I'm